In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see which phone apps are currently running in the background. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and basically the process is very simple because all you have to do is just swipe up from the bottom of the screen, just like that, until it activates that mode where we can easily switch between all our apps. All of the apps displayed here are currently running in the background. If you have an iPhone with the home button here, to activate this mode, you just need to double tap at home button and then you will be taken to the same mode where you can easily check all the applications running in the background. Right from here, you can easily switch between the applications in that way. And also from here, from the same mode, you can easily close any app simply by swiping it up, just like that. That's how we can easily remove apps running in the background, and moreover we can remove a couple of apps at the same time. Just use two fingers to close a couple of apps at once, just like that. So that's how we can easily clear all the applications that are running in the background. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.